Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Aisha Momin. I will taking your subject health and hygiene. This health and hygiene subject includes topics health indicators, environmental sanitation and safety, dietary management of disease, foodborne disease, food infection and intoxication, common infections and infectious disease, and public health. So today we will take the first topic, health indicators. What are the factors that affect or affect the health of the population? So to know what are the factors that affect the population, we need to know. So what is population dynamics? Population dynamics refers to the study of how and why population of organism changes over time, including factors such as birth rate, death rates and migrations. Components of population dynamics same: birth rate, death rate, total fertility rate and migration. So what is the birth rate? Determining women to reproduce, unhealthy environment for having a child, or unfavorable condition at the time of the birth. These factors can lower the birth rate. Next is death rate. What is now the death rate? Death rate is a number of deaths per 1,000 of population in a given place and in a given time. Determinants of death rate: why more death occur? Because of insufficient nutrition, a high incidence of infectious disease, drug addiction among pregnant women, high birth rate among teenagers. These are the factors that lead to more death in a given population. And what are the determinants of lower birth rate? How death can be stopped: increased food supplies and distribution, better nutrition to pregnant women and infants, improvement in medical and public health such as vaccination to mother and child during pregnancy and at the time of birth, and safe water supply, proper family planning and educated mother. These factors can lower the birth rate. Next component is fertility rate. In a given population, how many women are there in their fertility age? Normally the fertile age is considered from 15 to 24 years. Fertility rate can be high. How the fertility can be increased? By big family, big status in society, economical factors, social factors, early marriages and preference to male child. Determinants of low fertility rate: how the fertile age can be lowered? Quality of life, education, population education, use of contraceptives and working parents. These factors can lower the fertility range of a woman. And immigration and emigration rate: how many people come and go out of that certain populated area. Birth rate and death rate always keep changing. Birth rate and death rate always keep changing, and to understand this, graphs, charts are made to understand the population dynamics and understanding the factors for well-being of the generations. This is the population dynamic. Now the next topic is epidemiology. What is epidemiology? Epidemiology is the study of the distribution and determination